How to check order history on Amazon application. Are you guys facing issues to check order history on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on your profile icon. Once you click on it, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the options like order, buy again, and account. Tap on orders. As soon as you click on orders, your order history will be shown over here. Just tap on filters. With the help of filters, you can see the order history of last 30 days, last 3 months, and also a year of 2025. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna watch order history on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.